What's up, guys? This video we're gonna do something a little different. As you see, I have a car in the garage and not a lot of space. So you see, I have some space here, have a little bit of space there. I can put tires, you know, some stuff. But here's a little crowded. This can't be like that. It could, but look at my tools. I have nowhere to put them. Kinda don't have anywhere to hang it, so I need to figure this out. And I also need to open that space because I have no way to put the engine in a car with the space I have today. So I can deal with the going with the car, you know, a lot back, but still I won't be able to put the cherry picker and all that stuff. So I'm gonna remove that bench from there. I'm gonna put a smaller bench, 2 feet bench in there, just a small one, and I'm gonna put a huge bench 10 or 12 feet in here. First I'm gonna insulate those guys. I'm gonna put those things here. As you see, I got already. How is this called again? Sheetrock. We're going to start by taking the Supra out of the garage. I gotta take some space out of the way so I can make a little mess in the garage. So, little disclaimer before everything. I'm not a carpenter, like I'm not a mechanic, but it's going to work. So, that's my idea. It's going to be a huge bench. It's going to be pretty good. And so I'm going to start with the insulation. So I got the R13, and I got those because they cost $23, $21 I think. And they are 15 inches, which is basically what I have in there. I have between 14, but I can always squeeze in, and 32 feet. So I can go 4 rows with one of those, and I got 2. So I should be able to do 2, 4, 6, 8. It's going to be pretty much the size of my bench, and this is a 10-foot long bench. I had one of those here, which is 39 inches high. I think that's pretty good height for a bench. If you look at this one, it's a good height. It's a little too high for me, but you know, I can reach stuff. I don't need to do anything, but if I need to sit, I need to have a high bench. That's going to be enough. So I'm going to use 39 inches. I'm going to cut this guy, and we're going to start making it. Alright, so if you know what you're doing and you feel an urge to tell me what I'm doing wrong, please do it. But so far I'm doing so good. Very good. Couldn't be better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the top in here, and I'm going to start bringing 2x4s to cut on the size, cut to the size, and then I'm going to get the 4x4s and I'm going to put in here, and I'm going to start assembling it without being attached to the top. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, so far this is it. The legs are there, and they're very sturdy. This is important because it keeps this straight. Even though you put up there, if it gets crooked, like a little to the inside, a little to the outside, this here helps to get the same distance we had here and we have here. So they are all good. And I put inside because I'm gonna put another board in there, and that board goes all the way over there, which is gonna be that lower level. It's almost ready. You just need to get those boards. See those boards over there? I think that's OBS board, and this is MDF. So I need to get those guys now and put on the bottom so I can put stuff in there. I'm gonna get a I put a sheetrock here, but I just realized if I get a maybe thin MDF, but maybe no, maybe the other kind, very thin 4x8 is gonna go all the way here and all the way to here, and that's gonna be my shelving. I can destroy that because that's all crap. I don't need any of those shelves in there, and I can use the wood that's being used for the shelving and make good ones in here and put a light up here. Alright, all done. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, now little by little I'm going to start hanging my tools, and I wasn't able to wait little by little, so I just did it all. Check it out. It is beautiful. Good thing is all insulated on the back. I did not put this thing here behind the wood because the wood is already, I mean, I don't need anything behind it. But yeah, look at that. 2 shelves. I gotta put all my stuff up, down. I have the ground level. I found this thing here in the house, so it's good. I can put some things inside, but you know, there you go. Now I can park. Gotta take that light out of there, and this is how it looks now. It doesn't have those things in here. Of course, I'm hanging the stairs, but look, there's a lot of space here. Of course, I'm gonna take that out, and if you come in here, look at that. The way I am right now, I can just get in and work. So yeah, 10 feet by 2 feet, and I think it's 39 inches high. Made a mistake here, so it's kind of like crooked, but it's very sturdy. It doesn't move at all. Very sturdy. So that's gonna be it for this video. Next videos, I'm not gonna make video of it, but I'm gonna clean this crap, take all this out of here, make this wall nice, and cherry picker goes in there so I can move in and out, put the engine in and out. It's gonna be tough still because of the floor. Look at that. There's a level. It's no good, so the cherry picker won't go there. So when I'm trying to take the engine in or out, I'm gonna have a little trouble. So well, we're gonna do what we gotta do. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, leave a little like button, and check out my next video. Later. Thanks guys.